Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned collard greens taste better. Many people think canned greens lack flavor, but with a few simple steps, you can transform them into a delicious side dish. We'll cover selecting the right ingredients, preparing them properly, and simmering them to perfection. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this surprisingly flavorful recipe. It's easier than you think to achieve that homemade taste. The secret to amazing collard greens lies in building layers of flavor. Begin by rendering a small piece of smoked meat, like a ham hock, in your pot. This creates a savory foundation. Next, sauté aromatic vegetables such as diced onion and minced garlic until fragrant. These simple additions will significantly enhance the overall taste profile of your greens, moving them far beyond their canned origin. Once your flavor base is established, it's time to combine everything. Add the rinsed collard greens to the pot along with a good quality chicken or vegetable broth. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a touch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Allow the greens to simmer slowly, uncovered, for at least 30 minutes. This low and slow cooking process is crucial for developing deep, rich flavors. Your transformed canned collard greens are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm alongside your favorite main course, perhaps some cornbread or fried chicken. A little extra hot sauce or a sprinkle of fresh parsley can add a final touch of brightness. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading your favorite recipes or novels anywhere, plus other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your delicious, homemade tasting greens.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.